Now let's move to the question number 8. The diagram shows the curve with equation y is equal to 1 over 2 under root x and the point P with the coordinate 9 and 3 over 2. 9 and 3 over 2. Okay, this is the point P and this is the curve. Curve has a 1 over 2 under root x. The shaded region is bounded by the curve and the line x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 over 2. Find the area of shaded region. You can see that this is the rectangle. We know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth or length into width. Area under the curve from 0 to 9 is this one. This is the area under the curve from 0 to 9. If we can find area under the curve from 0 to 9 and subtract it from the area of the rectangle, we can find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equals to area of rectangle minus area under the curve, area under the curve from the origin to 9, 0 to 9. Okay, and to find the area under the curve, we will use integration of the function from limit 0 to 9. Okay, this is the width of the rectangle and this one is equal to 9. This one is 9. And we have the height is 3 by 2. So area of the rectangle is height into width minus area of the curve which is y is equal to 1 over 2 under root. So area of the curve limit from 0 to 9. We know that height is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 time width is 9. Minus y is equal to 1 over 2 time under root x, which is the equation of the curve. So 1 over 2 under root x, and we will integrate this function with respect to x from limit 0 to 9. 3 times 9 is 27 over 2 minus integration from 0 to 9 and 1 over 2, and x can be written as x to the power of half with respect to dx. 27 over 2 minus, we can write it 1 over 2 integration from 0 to 9 and x to the power of 1 over 2 dx. And we know power rule, apply power rule, we will have 27 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Integration of x to the power of half is x to the power of half plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 from limit 0 to 9, and in it is in bracket. Now further solving, we can have 27 over 2 minus 1 over 2, x to the power of half plus 1 is x to the power of 3 over 2 over 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2, and we have the limit from 0 to 9 and bracket close. 27 over 2 minus 1 over 2, apply the upper limit which is 9 to the power of 3 over 2 minus apply the lower limit which is 0 to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 by 2. For the solving, we will 27 over 2 minus 1 over 2, and 9 to the power of 3 by 2 is, this one is will be 3. So 3 to the power of 3 minus 0 over 3 over 2. Further solving, we will have 27 over 2 minus 1 over 2, and 3 to the power is 27 multiplied by 2 over 3. So this one is equals to 9. So further solving, we have 27 over 2 minus 9 times 2 is 18 over 2. Further solving, we will have 2 LCM and 27 minus 18, and this one is equal to 9 over 2. So area of the shaded region is 9 over 2 unit square. Okay, question number 8 part B. The shaded region is rotated through 360 about the y-axis. Find the exact volume of the solid produced. Okay, this shaded region is rotated like this in y-axis, along the y-axis, and it make a volume which will be like you can say that it will be like a cone, like a cone. So we need to find the volume of the cone. It is along the y-axis. This problem can be solved by the volume of revolution. Volume of revolution. we know that volume of revolution along y axis is equals to the pi integration of x squared dy. You should remember that if you want to find volume of revolution along x-axis, so it will be pi y squared dx along x-axis. Okay. So here we have the function which is equals to y is equal to 1 over 2 under root x. Y is equal to 1 over 2 under root x. And we know that we need to find the volume of revolution and we need x square. So we will square both sides. So we will have y square is equal to 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4 and under root x square is x. Again square because we need x square. So we will have y to the power of 4 is equal to 1 over 4 square is 1 over 16 and this one is x square. So we can find x square is equal to 16 y to the power of 4. So this is the x square. Now plugging this x square in the equation of volume of revolution. So we will have v which is equals to pi integration of x square means 16 y to the power of 6 y to the power of 4 dy. Also we need information of the limit. So you can see that this curve has a along the y-axis is from 0 to or origin to 3 by 2. So this one is 3 by 2. So we will apply limit from origin to 3 by 2. So further solving we will have 16 pi integration of y to the power of 4 with respect to y limit from 0 to 3 by 2. So volume is equals to 16 pi integration of y to the power of 4. We know that by power rule y to the power of 4 plus 1 and divided by power which is 4 plus 1 and limit from 0 to 3 by 2 and this one is written in bracket. Further solving we will have 16 pi y to the power of 5 over 5 and limit from 0 to 3 by 2 in bracket. Now apply the upper limit then lower limit. So 16 pi time apply the upper limit which is 3 by 2 to the power of 5 minus lower limit means 0 to the power of 5 over which is 5 and bracket close. Further solving we will 16 pi and this one is equal to 3 to the power of 5 is 243 divided by 2 to the power of 5 is 32 minus 0 over 5 and this one is equal to 16 pi over 5 times 243 over 32 and this one will be cancelled out and we will have 2. So this equation will be equal to the 243 pi over 5 times 2 is 10. Volume of revolution along the y-axis for the given curve is 243 pi over 100 unit cube. Okay.